Hello, my friends. Let me tell you something shocking. English has more than 1 million words. But the real problem is not words. The real problem is this. You stop when you speak. You pause. You think. You freeze. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly your mind goes blank? You know the words, but you cannot continue. You stop. That is the real problem. Not vocabulary, not grammar, pauses. Now listen carefully. What if I told you you can speak English smoothly, without pauses, without thinking too much, without fear? Today, I will show you a very simple system, a powerful system. No grammar rules, no difficult words, no pressure, just simple speaking, just smooth speaking. Relax, take a slow, deep breath, and let us begin. Part 1. Why you pause. First, we must understand the truth. Why do you pause? Most people think, I need more words. But that is not true. The real reason is you are thinking too much. You are translating. You are searching for perfect words. You are trying to be correct, and your brain becomes slow. Now listen. Your brain cannot think and speak fast at the same time. So what happens? You stop. Let me say this clearly. Pauses come from thinking. Fluency comes from repetition. Now think about a child. A child speaks simple English. Not perfect, but smooth. Why? Because the child does not think too much. The child repeats. This is your first lesson. Stop thinking too much. Start repeating simple English. Part 2. The smooth speaking system. Now I will give you a simple system. You only need simple words, simple patterns, daily repetition. That is it. Now, repeat this idea. I don't need perfect English. I need smooth English. Again, smooth, not perfect. Because smooth speaking means you continue. You don't stop. You don't panic. Even if your English is simple. Part 3. Sentence chains. No pause secret. Now here is the most powerful secret. Sentence chains. This is how you speak without stopping. Listen carefully. I wake up. I drink water. I go to work. I feel tired. I eat food. See, one idea connected to another. No pause. Now try this. I wake up early. I feel sleepy. I drink coffee. I go outside. I start my day. This is called flow. Flow means continuous speaking, no stopping. Now remember, don't create perfect sentences. Create connected sentences. Part 4. Daily life flow. Now let's practice real life English. Because English is for life, not for books. Morning. I wake up. I feel tired. I wash my face. I drink water. I get ready. Speak like this. No pause. Work. I go to work. I feel busy. I do my job. I talk to people. I take a break. Home. I go home. I feel relaxed. I eat food. I watch something. I sleep. This is smooth English. Simple, continuous, natural. Part 5. 10-minute practice routine. Now let's build your daily system. You only need 10 minutes. Every day. Step 1. Choose one topic. Morning, work, home. Step 2. Speak 5 sentences. Out loud. No writing. Only speaking. Step 3. Repeat the same sentences for 3 days. Yes, repetition, because repetition removes pauses. Repetition builds flow. Now here is a powerful method. Shadow speaking. Listen, pause, repeat. I wake up early. I wake up early. I go to work. I go to work. This trains your mouth, not your brain. Your mouth. Part 6. Remove the fear. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is the biggest reason for pauses. Fear of mistakes, fear of people, fear of being wrong. But listen carefully. Mistakes are normal. Pauses are optional. You can speak with mistakes, but still speak smoothly. Now remember this. People do not care about your grammar. People care about your message. If they understand you, you are successful. Confidence comes from speaking, not from thinking. Part 7. Final transformation. Now listen carefully. This is the truth. English is not about big words. English is not about grammar. English is about flow. Speak simply. Speak continuously. Speak without fear. Now, I want to ask you something. Will you keep stopping when you speak? Or will you start speaking smoothly today? Because fluency does not come later. Fluency starts now, with your next sentence. So start today. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Do not stop. Even if your English is small. And remember, you don't need perfected English. You need smooth English. If you speak every day, your pauses will disappear, your confidence will grow, and your English will become natural. Now take a deep breath, relax, and say your first sentence, because your fluency is in your next sentence. If this helped you, practice today, and I will see you in the next lesson.